And I love gardening, and I leveraging to what I love doing to earn income, to pay my bills to pay my bills, and I leveraging social media. So this is what I do as a digital business owner. And being in love with gardening, I find that I can share what I love doing as a gardener myself, as a home self-made gardener, so that I can help a lot of people to learn how to grow everything, anything you can. So it's so easy. So we have our peas are done, they're finished, they reach the end of their life. Our carrots are already also ready for harvest, and the same as beets. And we're only August, so we have a lot more time. We have 3 more months: August, September, October, November, December. 3 to 4 more months to enjoy the weather, to enjoy the harvest. So I'm gonna show you how I do my we are going to start with start them in a pellet like this. This is toilet paper that I collected. So we're gonna start here. I'm gonna start this one in a controlled environment so that we can maximize the weather, because now at night it's getting too cold and then sometimes getting too hot. So I'm gonna start in a thing like this, so that we can use to cover with plastic bags. We can help them to grow faster. But before I use that to plant, as this is my soil, and my soil is too dry, so I will just kind of wet them first. Oops, wet that first. Okay, there's a bug in there. We're gonna wet this one first, okay? So these are I bought this soil. This is a bought soil. So, and it's always good to have something that is bought, something that you the proper soil that you buy. It's always good that way, because when you buy a soil, they have the nutrition, especially when you're starting plant. They got the nutrition that they need, right? So now we're just gonna mix this small amount of water. We just don't want to start it too dry. So we're just gonna soak it a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna get more water because I need more. So let's go. So I have wet my soil, but before we start that, I also want to tell you how to the preparation of your seeds. So this one are you can see this one are my peas. So I soak this one overnight in water, in cold water. I soak it overnight, and then I drain it, and then I just kind of wait for it to just look what happened, guys. When you do it, start it soaking overnight, they started to bring out the roots very fast, very quickly. So usually doing this, it will take about a few days for them under the ground, but soaking them in water, look, they got those leaves, they got their roots, right? So I just want to show you, there are so many of them has already some roots on it, and that is how you can speed up your growing season. And you can also ensure that you have a good seeds, right? We have a flame up there. Where they're going out there, some flame. So this is a toilet paper roll. You can also use kitchen paper roll here, and you can just basically close the end of this, and then you can fill this one up with soil. So remember that that you wet the soil first, so that it's not that the soil is not too too dry, right? Wet the soil first, so that way you can also compact the soil easier, because dry soil have lots of air, but if you wet the soil, then you get rid some of the air on the soil, and that helps also on growing plants. Okay, so if you have the time, make sure that your soil you sun dry the soil first also. Because why you wanna sun dry the soil? Because when you buy the soil, they come wet, and sometimes there can be some bugs that can grow on that soil. So for you to make sure that the soil has no bugs that will eat the seeds, sun dry the soil, because when you sun dry the soil, it kills the bugs that can potentially eat your seeds. So that is very important tips, guys. Okay, so that means you need to kind of pre-plan when you want to plant, so that you can also sun-dry the soil. There's a lot of preparation and planting, and I'm very grateful that I remember to share that with you today, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna put in about at least 3 of these. I'm gonna put four of these seeds in here, so like that there, right? And then we're gonna cover it a small amount of soil. So only small amounts of soil. We don't want to plant them so deep because we just want the heat of the sun and the water in it easier. So this is it. We've done 1 and I'm going to make more. So it's more. So I'm putting about 4 of peas in here. So the good thing, guys, of wetting them, you know that you are planting the seeds that already have roots. And so you already see the one that is going to be successful of growing. Right there. But although I have some seeds here, the small ones that doesn't roots on it, I will still plant it because maybe they just need time, right? And so I will still plant them. So maybe they just need time to grow. But at least I already know and I already see that I have a good seeds to plant. So that is the good thing, right? So guys, this is it. This is Regina. I am a digital business owner and I share what I have learned in my gardening to people so I can also help them grow their plants and produce the plants for them. You know, planting takes a lot of time. And sometimes if you do the wrong thing of planting, they may not come out. They may not grow for you. And imagine, it's also costly. It's expensive to plant. Yes, it is expensive to plant. Just like me, if you don't have your garden yet to start with, you're going to buy this. Just like carrots, I cannot really get good seeds of carrots. So carrots I always buy every year. And when I started planting, I always also buy. Even now, I also sometimes buy a good piece because I mix the good piece that I buy with the piece that I harvested so that I can have a good, I can anticipate a good result of my plants. So this one is all grown. These seeds, I harvested this. All of this is harvested from our previous years of collections. Previous years of collections. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I think just to show it to you how I start my little toilet paper roll for starting seeds and how I start big seeds. Always, oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Did I tell you? Yes, I told you that always hydrate them first. Soak this for peas. They can really last to have a soak overnight, but do not soak longer than that. Otherwise, they may get rotten, right? Because you know when you overly soak it, they're going to produce enzymes. They will start melting. Yeah. So for beans, for peas and beans, in my experience, they are okay to soak overnight, right? So I do with the same beets too. I also soak it overnight, but not longer than that. Otherwise, they get they will start decomposing. Okay. So that is, guys. I hope I have given you value today. And if you are in a good place like me and you love to garden, you can still start planting again for peas, carrots, and beets because you still have 90 days. And if you have containers, put them in a containers. Like next time I'm going to plant kohlrabi, I'm going to put them in containers because kohlrabi, the way I look at it, it looked like a queen. So I think kohlrabi will really fit in individual containers because they will sit and fill the containers like a queen with their huge leaves and beautiful beautiful veggies that's sitting on the center of the body. So love gardening, guys, and gardening is my healing. Amazingly, I'm very grateful that God has given me the struggles at work because now I am very grateful that I decided to shift into digital business. Now I am a very happy digital business owner, and I can see a lot of potentials to earn income online. There are many multiple ways, many and multiple, they're all the same, but it's what I want to say is there is a lot of potentials to earn income online. So if you're someone out there wondering how you can leverage on things that you love to do, especially if you love gardening, comment yes or connect with me, ask me how, and I will be really very grateful to show it to you how. Because a lot of people are already changing lives and helping a lot of people to earn income online. So I'm Regina. I am a digital business owner, and I used to be like you. I used to be very stressed working in healthcare. I have no time even to take care of my health. Even if I was sick, I was called to go to work. That was my life in the past. And I seldom see my husband because if I am at home, I needed to sleep. And my kids, they grew up really without me because if I am at home, my husband will take my kids so that I can take my kids to the park so that I can sleep. That was my life for more than 30 years of my life. And if you are living that life, this is a different way and a better way. Earn income online where you are doing what you love. You can priority your family. You can take care of your kids and still earn online. And I will teach you how to do that, right? As you can see me, guys, I am enjoying my gardening. And at the same time, I am doing my recording. That is how I earn income online. I'm recording this one and I'm posting it. So if you have questions, comment yes, and let's connect. Okay, bye for now, guys. I hope I've given you value today. Remember to soak your seeds. And remember that if you buy soil, try to do sun dry it so that you can kill the germs on the soil. Okay, bye for now.